The smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird, Mellisuga heleni, which is only found in Cuba. With a body length of around 5 to 6 centimeters, weighing approximately 1.6 to 2 grams. This bird can easily be ignored as a small insect. Interestingly, despite its very tiny size, the bee hummingbird is an extraordinarily active creature. Its wings beat up to 80 times per second, creating a bee-like buzzing sound, which gives this bird its name. With the speed of its wings, the bee hummingbird can perform amazing flying maneuvers, flying in place, backwards, and even spinning in the air.